Hello guys, if you want to use team builder in Madden 27, then I'm gonna show you how you can make your own custom team and customize everything from the team name and logos to the uniform, stadium and roster. To get started, go to the team builder website and sign in with your E account. Once you're logged in, select create and wait for the team builder page to load. At the top, you'll see the main customization sections: brand, uniforms, stadium and field, and roster. Start with brand, where you can create your team's identity. You can enter the team name, nickname, abbreviation, city, and state. Then add your team's primary, secondary, and tertiary logos. You can also choose your team's colors, fonts, and apparel brand so the entire team has its own look. Next, open uniforms. Here you can create your home and away uniforms and add more uniform combinations if you want. You can customize the helmet, jersey, pants, and socks, including the colors, logos, numbers, and other design options. You can also use the preview option to see what the full uniform looks like. After that, go to stadium and field. This section lets you customize your home stadium, including the stadium name, crowd, field surface, logos, end zones, field numbers, sidelines, and benches. Then open the roster tab. You can choose a roster preset and customize individual players by changing their names, numbers, appearance, position, ratings, and other details. Once you're happy with everything, select submit in the top right corner and your custom team will be uploaded. After the submission is successful, select go to my teams to view your team. Now to use it in Madden 27, launch the game, open the creation center and go to the download center. Switch over to my shared files using R1 on PlayStation or RB on Xbox. Find the team builder team you created, download it, and once the download is complete, you can use your custom team in franchise mode or quick play. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.